Are you trying to find the best electric bikes? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best electric bikes. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The ANCHEER electric bike is powered by a 350W brushless geared motor, ensuring reliable support and a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. The removable 374Wh battery provides enough power for you to enjoy your daily commute or cruise along the forest road without worrying about running out of charge. 4 levels of pedal assist allow you to choose from easy to hard power output when using the thumb throttle, which creates enough speed so the bike can easily handle steep hillsides. Order your ANCHEER e-bike today. Mountain bike configuration. The fork is made of high-strength carbon steel, and the frame is made from aluminum alloy. This makes the bike lightweight yet very sturdy. With the 21-speed transmission system, you can choose any speed according to your needs. The perfect front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. Aluminum alloy double-walled rims are for greater durability. Number 2. The Jetson Bolt electric bike is a perfect commuter solution for those looking to explore their neighborhood or commute to work. At 15 miles, the battery lasts for a full day of commuting and makes even heavy commutes easier. Lightweight aluminum alloy frame is lightweight and sturdy, supporting up to 250 pounds and made for everyday use. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery gives you many options when it comes to riding time, so you can create your own perfect commute schedule. Zip around town in style with the Bolt's powerful yet quiet motor, or hang out and fold it up at home. With 250 watts of power and a top speed of 20 miles per hour, the Bolt is equipped for hills and long rides alike. It features a steel frame and fenders to help you ride with confidence, as well as an adjustable seat height for riders of all ages. Number 3. With up to 5 miles on a single charge, the Swagtron EB5 Plus is a premium electric bike designed and built to perform. The EB5 Plus rides like a traditional pedal-only bicycle and features a streamlined aerodynamic design, plus up to 15 mph top speed. But as good as it looks, the EB5 Plus performs even better. The ultimate e-bike, the EB5 Plus is your best companion on the boardwalk. With a compact design and an adjustable seat and handlebar, this bike has everything you need to ride at high speed. The 14 air-filled tires give you smooth, stable rides over uneven ground, even in the rain. And thanks to the extra battery, you can keep riding as long as you like. The Swagtron EB5 Pro is the best place for your commute. Get to work faster and be more efficient as you use the bike's powerful 250-watt motor to pedal with ease. And engineering this bike was one step ahead of today's world. It has a quiet, high-performance electric drivetrain. Number 4. Heybike Mars electric bike is the perfect way to get around. With the built-in modular 48V12, 5Ah battery, 500W brushless geared motor and 4 fat tires, you can ride anywhere and everywhere. Heybike Mars is equipped with a 24V pedaling kit that enables you to use the bike as a commuting vehicle, as well as a leisure ride on smooth roads or rocky mountain paths. With its high performance feel and versatility, you can enjoy riding in a range of excellent conditions. This bicycle is the ideal solution for commuting, leisure transportability, and even bike racing. The top speed of 20 miles per hour is really impressive, but that doesn't take away from the comfortable ride it provides. At the heart of this folding electric bike is a reliable and lightweight 3-phase brushless motor with no noise and low weight. A powerful 150W motor gives you extra speed and power for your journey, along with a high-performance gear sensor which is easy to shift so you can keep going in whatever conditions you find. It folds into a compact design for easy storage or transport. Number 5. The VELOWAVE electric bike is the ideal choice for your daily commute, whether that's around town or through the city. With 750W of power from the BAFANG brushless motor, this bike will satisfy your daily needs with a max speed of 28 miles per hour. The large-capacity LG cells battery provides up to 4 hours of fast charge time when using the pedal assist mode or throttle mode. Combined with intelligent electronics and a compact design, you'll never have to get off your bike. Explore the natural beauty and culture of China in an instant with our electric bike. Our powerful BAFANG motor provides you with a smooth, quiet ride no matter where you're going. Enjoy long-distance rides or time spent on vacation with a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge. Our convenient removable battery is waterproof and easy to store away when not in use. The fast and fun ride of this electric bike will keep you at the peak of your fun. The high frame makes it easy for you to control off-road or terrains with huge drop, while the dual hydraulic disc brake system enables the e-bike to stop quickly and smoothly even when riding at high speed. The most stable triangular frame design ensures that the frame of the electric bike is not easily deformed when riding, making it easy to handle. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.